Hello students, welcome to PNMRC e-learning classes. Today we are going to start exercise 3.2. But before starting exercise 3.2, I will give you some small introduction about mode and median. So, what is mode? The mode of a set of observations is the observation that occurs most often. I will explain you by giving example. Suppose example is data is given that 1, 1, 2, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 2, 4. First, what you have to do is you have to arrange this data in ascending order. Arranging ascending order. So, in ascending order, it is 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 3, 4, 4. Mode of this data is 2 because it occurs more often than other observation. It is occurring more often. It is occurring 4 times. See, 2 is occurring 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 is occurring 3 times. 3 is occurring only 1 time. And 4 is occurring 2 times. So, 2 is occurring most often. So, the mode of this data is 2. So, we can say that mode of this data is 2 because it occurs more frequently than other observations. Now students, our next topic is median or mid-value. Now what is median? Median is the observation which divide the given data into two equal parts. It means median is that observation which divide the given data into two equal parts. For that, first we have to arrange the given data into ascending or descending order. It means if we have to calculate the median of any data or the mid value of, we have to find the mid value of any data, first we have to arrange that data into ascending or descending order. The median gives us the middle observation. Formula to find median, that is equal to n plus 1 upon 2 th term. This is the formula to find the median of a given data, where n is equal to number of observations. I will explain you by giving examples. Suppose the data is given out here 24, 36, 46, 17, 18, 25 and 35. These are the data given out here. First, what we have to do is we have to arrange this data into ascending order. See, I have arranged this data in ascending order. 17, 18, 24, 25, 35, 36 and 46 is in ascending order. Now, number of observations are 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Number of observations are 7. Now, to find out the median of a given data, formula as I have mentioned, that is equal to n plus 1 upon 2 th term. N is number of observation and number of observation here is 7. So, in place of n, we will write 7. So, 7 plus 1 upon 2, that is equal to 8 upon 2. 2 1s are 2 and 2 4s are 8. Now, 4, answer is 4. Median is equal to 4th term. So, we have to find out the 4th term of the given data, and the 4th term here is 1, 2, 3, 4. 25 is the 4th term. So, we can say that 4th term is 25. So, median is 25. And in this way, we can find the median of any given data. Students, I have given you small introduction about mode and median. Now we are going to start exercise 3.2. First question of exercise 3.2 is the score in mathematics test out of 25 of 15 students is as follows: 19, 25, 23, 29, 20, 15, 10, 5, 16, 25, 20, 24, 12 and 20. Now what you have to find? Find the mode and median of this data. Are they same or not? In this question, you have to find the mode and median and then you have to tell that they are same or not. So students, let's solve exercise 3.2. Question number 1. Score in mathematics test out of 25 of 15 students. It is given out here. Score of 15 students is given out here. Now, first what I have done, I have arranged this data in ascending order. So, arrange in ascending order, that is 5, 9, 10, 12, 15, 16, 19, 20, 20, 20, 20. See, 24 times. 23, 24, 25 and 25. Now I have to calculate the mode. Mode is equal to 20 because this 20 is occurring more often. It is occurring 4 times. 1, 2, 3 and 4. It is occurring more often. So mode of this question is 20. Now I have to find out the median. Now to find out the median, what is the formula? Formula is n plus 1 upon 2 th term. That is, n is number of observation and number of observation here is 15. So 15 plus 1 upon 2. 15 plus 1 that is equal to 16. 16 upon 2. Now 2 ones are 2 and 2 eights are 16. So this is 8th term. Answer is 8th term. I have to find out the 8th term, and here the 8th term is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8th term is 20. This 20 is the 8th term. So this is the median of question number 1. So answer is 20. Therefore mode and median are same. Both are 20. This is the answer. Now students, we will solve question number 2 of exercise 3.2. And question number 2 is, the runs scored in a cricket match by 11 players is as follows. How many players? 11 players. And runs scored are 6, 15, 120, 50, 100, 80, 10, 15, 8, 10 and 15. Now what you have to find? Find the mean. We have to find the mean, mode and median of this data. Are the three same? And then we have to tell, are the mean, mode, median same or not? That also we have to tell. So students, let's solve question number 2 of exercise 3.2, and that is runs scored by 11 players. That they are 6, 15, 120, 15, 100, 80, 10, 15, 8, 10 and 15. First what I have to done is, I have arranged them in ascending order. Arrange in ascending order, and they are 6, 8, 10, 10, 15, 15, 15. See 15 3 times. 50, 80, 100 and 120. Now first I have to find out the mean. To find out the mean, what is the formula? To find out mean, formula is sum of total runs upon total number of players. So sum of total runs, that is equal to 6 plus 8 plus 10 plus 10 plus 15 plus 15 plus 15 plus 50 plus 80 plus 100 and plus 120 upon 11, because total number of players are 11. So after adding all this data, all these numbers, I get 429 upon 11. Now 11 ones are 11. 11 39 times, that is equal to 429. So mean is equal to 39 runs. Now students, second thing which I have to calculate is, I have to calculate the mode. So mode is which number is occurring more often. So I can say 15 number is occurring more often. See, this 15 number is occurring more often. It is occurring 3 times. So I can say that mode is 15. Therefore 15 occurs maximum number of times, that is 3 times. Therefore mode is 15 runs. In this way you have to write the answer of the question. That 15 occurs maximum number of times, that is 3 times. Therefore mode is 15 runs. The third thing which I have to calculate is, I have to calculate the median. And what is the formula to find out the median? And that is n plus 1 upon 2 th term. N is number of observation. Here number of observation is 11, because total number of players are 11. 11 plus 1 upon 2. 11 plus 1, that is equal to 12. 12 upon 2. 2 ones are 2. 2 6 are 12. So our answer is 6th term. I have to find out the 6th term. So 6th term is, see, you can see that 6th term is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6th term is this 15. So this 15 is the 6th term. So we can say that median is 15. So in this way we will write 6th term is 15. Therefore median is equal to 15. Now we have to tell that median, mean, mode, median, three of them are same or not. That also we have to tell. Mean is 39 that we have calculated, mode is 15 and median is 15. So we can say that mean is different from mode and median. Mean is because mean is 39 and mode and median are 15. So mean is different from mode and median. In this way you have to write the answer of the question. So student, this is the end of first video of exercise 3.2. Rest of the questions of exercise 3.2 I will solve in my next video.